Labels market is fast evolving and very competitive. Most jobs, especially from pharma companies and startups, are less than 300 running meters, which ultimately meant that we are losing a lot of time in setting up jobs while using Flexo process.
Hi, I am Hemen Vasa, Managing Director of Unick Fix-A-Form and Printers Limited. Our company was founded in 1993 with a vision to become a one-stop solution provider for all packaging requirements. Over the years, we have grown into a renowned brand supplying wide variety of labels. In partnership with Dennis Brothers UK, we are leading suppliers of Fix-A-Form in Indian market.
In 2019, we were looking to partner with a company whom we can rely upon and whom we can trust. We found the technology from Domino superior. With global presence of over 40 years, reference sites across the globe, we could trust Domino to meet our requirements. We chose Domino to be our digital printing partner and purchased the N610i label press. The N610i combines the productivity of Flexo printing with faster changeover times. Its impressive features include 7-color printing along with ESCO digital front end, enabling us to achieve more than 90% of Pantone shades. This is critical for meeting the quality requirements of leading brands across industries. All the colors, including opaque white, can be printed at operating speeds of up to 70 meters per minute.
With the N610i, we are comfortable to do multiple jobs in every shift, which was otherwise impossible in Flexo. The job setup process is quite simple. Color matching is consistent. We are able to do over 90% jobs with digital. Our operators are well trained and very happy with the user friendliness of this machine. Its simplicity and flexibility was particularly valuable during COVID-19 when faced the manpower challenges and high demand of pharma labels. We really appreciated the technologies and the support extended by Domino.
With N610i, color matching is easy. Its UI is easy to operate and helps me in designing the jobs faster.
Maintenance of the N610i is simple.
Thanks to Domino N610i, we managed to enter new markets, service variable data printing requirements, provide anti-counterfeit solutions, and meet the fast evolving market requirements. It also helped in freeing up the capacity on our Flexo machines, which complemented our business growth.
From our experience of running the N610i, we are very happy with our relationship with Domino. We have achieved business growth, enhanced profitability, acquired new customers, and are fully equipped to meet the evolving market needs.
Thanks to Domino.
Thanks to Domino.
Thanks to Domino.
Thank you, Domino.